with the Super Springs and the Sumo, I mean, that was pretty drastic. There wasn't much sway, there wasn't much rock. That's pretty cool. Less dip in the front as we sway right, sway left. Super Springs tighten it up in the back. Intentionally hit that curb just to see how the sway would feel, and with the Super Springs and the Sumo, I mean, that was pretty drastic. There wasn't much sway, there wasn't much rock. That's pretty cool. What we used to hear is like the shocks be fully compressed or whatever, exhausted. You would hear the air escape from them. I don't think you even get that anymore. I'm happy at this bump. Yeah, it's nice. I mean that
felt nice.
Yeah, it did. Usually we would like the shock would fully compress, like exhaust itself.
Second speed bump test. We're at the Home Depot parking lot.
Oh, that felt nice.
Yeah, it's way better.
The shocks aren't getting exhausted. It's great.
Tell you what, I'm super pumped that we got the complete package from Super Springs International with the Super Springs and the Sumo Springs. It's a solid setup. We're ready to go off-roading.